there should be more accountability in the judiciary. That is the gist of what 6 High Court Bar Association heads from across India today discussed with the senior-most judges of the Supreme Court, including CJI Sanjeev Khanna, in the fallout of Justice Yashwant Verma cash case.
हमारी जितनी भी डिमांड्स हैं उसको वो कंसीडर करेंगे and will take a suitable decision.
In a big development today, the CJI accepted their demand for a meeting with the collegium in the Supreme Court. Subsequently, the Bar Association members seemed to mellow a bit and said they might consider calling off the strike by lawyers of the Allahabad High Court.
Going on strike is not a decision of one person. Going on strike is a decision of 35,000 lawyers who forms the General House. This decision has been taken by General House. As a president, it is my duty to communicate the latest development to the General House, and then General House will take the decision. Why you preempt that General House will not consider the request of CJI? Why you prevent that we are not able to understand the feelings of the judiciary? We are not able to understand the feelings of the people.
The delegation of Bar Association heads want the collegium to withdraw the transfer of Justice Yashwant Verma to Allahabad High Court and to withdraw all administrative work from him. Calling for an FIR against Justice Verma, they said that had criminal law set in motion at the right time, evidence would not have been destroyed. In these kinds of crimes, there would be involvement of others, and non-registration of criminal case would adversely affect their prosecution. The joint statement by them said.
Today, the Bar Association heads have called upon the Supreme Court to lay down accountability standards for judges of the higher judiciary and reassess the current in-house procedures approved by the Supreme Court in 1999. They have also sought restatement of values of judicial life as approved in 1997. With camera person Panchanand, Nupur Dogra reporting from New Delhi for NDTV.